Let's just start this thing right here. We're leaving out the hotel, headed over to A2, round 3. This is JD with Supercross.com. We're gonna go through the pit party for y'all. Hope you like what you see. If you like these type of videos, dude, give me a thumbs up. Try not to roast me in the comments. I am trying. We're loading up. We had a naming ceremony for the new truck. It's gonna be wrapped in Supercross. And this is Frankie with an I, making an official introduction. Frankie with an I has less than a couple hundred miles on her. We rode out to Temecula yesterday to drop off a truck, but today is the first day she's heading over to an event. We're excited, let's go. So the parking lot is laid out about what you think. You got your VIP area here. Industry's like off to the side. But then once that fills up, if you weren't smart enough or you didn't wake up early enough, you got to get out in the general parking in the back. That ain't no joke. This is who's making the race safe. This who's making the race safe.
Oh, can't do it.
Man.
Good question answer.
Hey. Don't make him tase you. Don't make him tase you. It's cool. Anaheim's always cool. Check this thing out. Oh, you know what? Now I can go. I don't even need to see the riders. Yeah.
Me too.
Rich and Los. Rockwell. Yes. Oh, hold up. Only way it's done.
Hey, JSX 130. First guy to use it gets a free one of these. It's a $130 credit.
Did you hear that?
Right now.
Did you hear that? SX 130. First person to use it gets one of these Coliseum.
It's $130 credit to the website.
$130 credit to the website. It's Rich love and whatnot. Rich is love. Rich is all the way love. This vacations guy stopped me. He owns this spot where people come through and they can stay, and it's all about motocross, supercross vacations. And I don't know what area he's in, but he invited me out to come check it out, and so I'm going to. And then he said he can give us a code, and then that way anybody on the page that wants to take advantage of it, they're more than welcome to, which it could be cool. I don't know what it looks like, but I'm gonna go, and if it's dope, I'll let you know. And he said we can shoot some vid there where you can really see it firsthand, but Pitts is jumping today. Tell them who you are.
What's up, guys? BMC88, wrenching for Kyle Cunningham, HEP Motorsports. We're out here, A2. It's a sunny day, here with my boy here, and we're getting it.
This week, he said he's gonna hop on a call. We're gonna find out a little more about this man. That's right, it's gonna be good. Ugh. you not. One of the coolest things in the pits right here. Check this out.
Sirius XM Road Trip Radio.
Serious.
How's everything? Is everything good?
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Fritz?
All right, race fans, step right up. We need some participation right here. $20,000 grand prize. All you got to do is step right up, show us what you're working with.
Hey, so I was talking to Cooper Tire. Dude, check these things out.
Three opportunities. Here we go.
These
The
are
second
sick.
one. No good. Hey, you better coach him up, Derek. He's got to shake that out a little bit. Step back. Step back and shake it out.
So we're talking with these guys about doing one of these in our giveaway at the end of the year too. They are sick. Gotta love Cooper Tire, man. Well, before I met these guys, I ran Cooper Tires. They're 10 ply. I have been to so many powwows, so many ceremonies, no roads on these reservations. Those Cooper Tires run good. This is actually perfect timing. We got tons of people. They're practicing, so there's not near as many people. This thing's gonna flood back over when practice is over. Here with these guys. Let them get on the story.
Count down. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys. Hey. Oh, wait, Riku. Sorry. Oh, yeah, can we all say hey? Yeah. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Come by the Rockstar Energy booth and come say hi.
So we got this little short period of time before the most popular person here. It's not gonna be Eli Tomac or Ken Roxon. It's gonna be the food truck, man. Look, Quisenberry. Quisenberry.
What up?
He's got a good chat. He's got another good page. Let me tell him what it is.
It is Rockwell_wannabe, but the best page is Rockwell Watches.
Mic drop. Mic drop. This smart top back behind me, dude, low key, it's probably like one of the most, if not the most popular over here. People love Mookie, they love Justin Hill, Freeze. Like, you put those three together in the pit, and they're good with people too. Look, they engage with the fans real well. Somebody's trying to make a pitch real quick. Look at this. Let's see how she does. Will be the B-roll.
Hey guys, it's Chanel here with TXS Productions. We are at Supercross Anaheim 2. Come see us and come check out our bullfrog. See you guys here.
Blow up. Stop by.
Are we recording? Oh, we're recording.
What's going on, guys?
Dude, if you're not following the collective experience, look, show them something.
What are you doing, guys? I mean, we got full, all-access immersive programs. We got fans signing up. We got riders, rig tours, all-access exclusive passes. I mean, you guys are missing out, man. I mean, Supercross.com knows what's up. You guys should follow suit, man. You got to do it.
Did you?
Hey, text me back inside, all right?
Yep. Dave's good people. Dave's good people. Serious. I like his program. If you're a wrench man and you're considering a life in the sport, he's a really good place to start. Okay guys, we're going to call it, find a seat, back up the computer, start pushing out some tweets, follow us on supercross.com. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that like button, please. And we'll do it again in Phoenix.
Just behind there, number 1.